Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to take a few minutes just to explain my new Skillshare course, which by the way, if you use the link in the description below, you can sign up to Skillshare for free for 1 month. So you can actually follow these courses and get the resources for free if you want to. And then after 1 month, you can choose whether you want to go on with Skillshare as a paid feature or not. So what you see here is an actual blend file from the course, and it's also provided, like I said. And like I said, just go down into the description, you'll find all of that. But here you can see, this is one of the things you're going to learn how to make is a proximity animation. And then the second one, I'll quickly show you. The second one is this one that you're looking at here, which is also a ton of fun. So if you want to learn how to do this, I'll quickly show you a few things. So here you can see is the course. What you're going to get is an intro and an outro, but in between there is sandwiched these 4 tutorials that all come with resources. And we're going to be looking at how to make this sort of dynamic tube that I showed you, which is this one over here, right? Where the sphere goes through. And then we're going to be looking at the rising spheres ones here, which is this one over here. So just a really quick sort of intro for you guys. If you really want to learn a step-by-step, more detailed geometry notes course, and you want some free resources along with that, for now, you can try out my link in the description, sign up to Skillshare, and try this out. So I'll see you guys next time for another video. Thank you for watching.